So, okay, he was lying lifeless. Okay, he was lying lifeless. And then, who did you report to that she was lying lifeless? Okay, then who was the one that dismembered her? Okay, who is staying in that house with you? Only you. So, if you are staying in the same house with a woman, and it became lifeless, and you did not report, and then, wait now, and then, and they started dismembering the person, and you were still there, staying with him, and she started smelling, and you were still there, you were sick. Sick of what? Which hospital were you, did you go to receive a treatment? Pharmacy. Oh, pharmacy, that you took the medicine. So you locked the house and they left the dismembered body. You understand me? Which you didn't know who dismembered, according to you. Who else is staying in that house with you? How long ago now have you packed into that place? In this